The Viofo A129 Duo is a popular dual-channel dashcam designed for recording both front and rear views. However, many users encounter a frustrating problem where the front camera fails to record while the rear camera continues to work normally. This recording issue is typically caused by hardware faults, software glitches, or simple user errors. In this video, we'll guide you through understanding and troubleshooting this common problem. Viofo has addressed the front camera recording issue with a firmware update. In March 2026, they released version 2.85, specifically designed to fix recording bugs that affect the front camera. This update targets common problems like synchronization errors between the camera modules and the processor, ensuring both front and rear recording work properly. According to community polls on forums like Dashcam Talk, this firmware update has successfully resolved the issue for 70 to 85% of affected users, significantly reducing reports of front camera failures. If you're experiencing this problem with your Viofo A129 Duo, updating to the latest firmware should be your first troubleshooting step. You can download the update directly from the official Viofo website. SD card incompatibility is a frequent cause of recording failures in the Viofo A129 Duo. The dashcam requires high-speed UHS Class 10 cards to handle the data throughput. Ensure you are using a compatible SD card, like a SanDisk Extreme. Formatting the SD card to FAT32 before use is also crucial. Using an incompatible or improperly formatted SD card can lead to recording failures. First, ensure the dashcam is receiving stable power. The A129 Duo requires a stable 5 volts 2 amp power supply. Loose connections or an inadequate power supply can prevent the front camera from recording. Check all cable connections to ensure they are secure. Loose connections can interrupt the recording process. Also, test with a different USB cable and power adapter if possible. This helps isolate whether the issue is with the current components. If firmware and SD card checks don't resolve the problem, it might be a hardware fault. Defective lenses, loose internal connections, or overheating can cause recording failures. High ambient temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius (140 degrees Fahrenheit) can exacerbate these issues. Consider professional repair if you suspect a hardware problem. Environmental factors like vibration during driving or exposure to moisture can disrupt the front sensor of your dashcam. To prevent this, ensure the dashcam is securely mounted using a stable suction cup mount. User errors can also cause recording issues. Incorrect settings, such as disabled loop recording or improper parking mode configurations, can prevent the front camera from recording properly. Always review and configure your dashcam settings correctly. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider downgrading to a previous firmware version, as some users have reported success with older versions like v2.7.2. Consult online forums like Dashcam Talk and Reddit for community-driven fixes and expert insights. Remember that hardware repairs may require professional assistance. Now let's explore the warranty and repair options for your Viofo A129 Duo dashcam. Viofo offers a 1-year warranty extension specifically for affected units. Make sure to check if your device qualifies for this extension. Additionally, third-party repair services are readily available through platforms like Amazon. There's been a notable 25% increase in demand for A129 Duo repairs, indicating many users are finding success with professional help. If troubleshooting steps haven't resolved the front camera recording issue, these warranty and repair options can help restore your dashcam's functionality. This completes our comprehensive guide to addressing the Viofo A129 Duo front camera recording problem. We hope this information helps you get back on the road with confidence.